your horn, so give that a big strong push. So you push, push. Good job. Alright. This one here, that's your light switch. One more time, push it, push it. Good job. Alright. So then, this is forward and reverse, okay? Alright, 3, 2, 1, go! One more big push. Alrighty. Up and in your turn. Horn. Good job. Light switch. Good job. Forward and back, okay? 3, 2, 1. Go!
Wow.
Alright. Who's next? Becky? Go for it.
Turn the lights on. Don't forget your horn and the lights.
Yep.
There's a picture out.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
First for everybody.
But I can take you.